Good morning, children. I am Neha Shah. Today we will learn about natural resources. Children, natural, obtained from nature, and the resources which can be used. So, obtained from nature which we can use. Children, natural resources are useful raw materials that we get from the earth like air, water, soil, forest, fuels and minerals. Natural resources are of two types: renewable resources, or we can say inexhaustible resources. And the second type of natural resources is non-renewable resources, or we can say exhaustible resources. Children, air, water, sunlight, soil, these are examples of renewable sources. And coal, petroleum, minerals, natural gas, these are examples of non-renewable resources. We will start with renewable resources. Water. Water is very important for us. All living beings need water to live or to survive. Children, do you know 70% of our earth has water? Almost 3/4 parts of the earth is covered with water, but 97.5% of water is salty, and only 2.5% of water is good for human consumption. Here are properties of water. First property is water is a liquid. Second, water is colorless liquid. Third, water is odorless liquid. And fourth one, water is tasteless liquid. Children, there are three forms of water: solid, liquid, and gas. When we will heat the solid, means ice, then it will convert into liquid, means water. Ice will convert it into water. And when we will boil water, then the water will convert into water vapors. Now, what is potable water? Water that is safe for human consumption, like drinking, cooking, etc., is called potable water. How to save water? Children, how we can save water? By closing the tap while brushing your teeth. Use used water of washing the fruits and vegetables for watering the plant. Close the tap when you do not need water. Use a bucket and mug to take bath instead of using shower. Use a bucket of water to clean the car instead of using hose pipe. Like this we can save water. Children, what is water pollution? Water pollution occurs when harmful substances, often chemicals or microorganisms, contaminate stream, river, lake, ocean, etc. And due to this water pollution, we can get suffer from the disease like diarrhea. Children, second natural resource is air. Air is all around us. Moving air is called wind. We cannot see or touch air. We can only feel air. Now we will discuss about properties of air. Children, air contains gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, some inert gases like and water vapors. Air has water vapor. Air has pressure. Air has dust. Air contains germs. Air has weight. You can see in this example. And plants need air to make food. Air is invisible. Air is needed for breathing in the form of oxygen. Children, we can keep air clean by planting more and more trees, by using no crackers, use CNG or electric vehicles, or by using hybrid vehicles. What is air pollution? The mixing of dust, germs, smoke from vehicles and factories causes air pollution. Children, we can reduce air pollution by getting pollution check of our vehicles on a regular basis. We can also use public transport or by using a hybrid car. Do you know what is hybrid car or hybrid vehicle? A hybrid vehicle is a vehicle which uses two or more sources of energy to power the engine of the car. Uses of air. We use air to dry clothes, to fly kite, to move hang glider, to move yacht, to move windmill, and to breathe, and many more things where we can use air. Children, our third renewable resource is sunlight, and fourth renewable resource is soil. Another important natural resource is soil. Soil is composed of many different particles and nutrients which help plants to grow. Now children, what is compost bin? A pit is dug in the soil and degradable substances like kitchen waste, animal waste and plant waste like leaves are collected in this pit and is covered for some days. After some days, it gets decomposed and can be used as a compost in growing plants and making soil nutrients rich. Waste. There are two types of waste: biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. What is biodegradable waste? Biodegradable wastes are the waste materials which can be easily degraded by natural factors like bacteria, fungi, etc. Like kitchen waste, food materials, plants and animal products. Now what is non-biodegradable waste? Non-biodegradable wastes are the waste materials which cannot be easily decomposed or degraded by natural factors like bacteria, fungi, etc. They remain on earth for thousands of years without decomposition, like plastics, metallic cans, pesticides, etc. Children, we will learn about non-renewable resources in our next video. Thank you.